this is my sister Hania.
Hi!
Today we're going to be some scientists and make an experiment.
Yay!
For that we'll need some things that are on the table. 1 tablespoon of egg white, a little bit of food coloring, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 cup of vinegar. And we're going to put all these ingredients in the cup and make an explosion. Are you ready? Shall we start?
I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of egg white.
We need some food coloring. Mix it. Good. Now we need some baking soda. This is how it looks like. I mix it all up. It looks a little pinkish. Now we're going to put a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Ready? Oh, 1 second. Let's remove the remove the paintbrush. Okay. Stand back. Ready, steady, go. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. I want to touch that. Wow, that's
This is how we made our explosion.
it's very foggy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool. This is how we did an experiment. You can make this at home with an adult with all these ingredients.
With any adult, you can make it with
Very cool.
mother or your auntie.